Let's talk about the transformative power of combining theory and practice in leadership. This fusion is not merely an academic exercise but a critical driver of strategic success in our rapidly changing world. Let's begin with a simple truth: theory provides the foundational framework to understand complex phenomena. However, theory alone, without practical application, can often remain abstract and disconnected from real-world challenges. This is where the magic of combining theory with practice comes into play. Take, for example, the journey of Willie Pietersen, a distinguished professor at Columbia Business School, who transitioned from practicing law to leading global corporations and eventually to academia. His career is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between theory and practice. As a CEO, Willie focused on delivering results, meeting sales targets, and achieving quarterly goals. Yet, it was his academic pursuit that allowed him to step back, reflect, and refine his practical experiences into actionable theories. One of his key insights is the concept of ideas with energy, theories that are not just intellectually stimulating but have real problem-solving power. This principle is evident in his strategic learning framework, which emphasizes continuous learning and adaptation in organizations. In our volatile business environment, where disruption is the norm, such a pragmatic approach is invaluable. It transforms strategy from a static plan to a dynamic process of ongoing assessment and reassessment. Consider companies like Amazon and Hallmark. Amazon's competitive advantage doesn't lie in unique products but in the exceptional quality, speed, and convenience of its service. Similarly, Hallmark's success stems from its ability to help people connect emotionally, rather than just selling greeting cards. These companies exemplify how practical application of customer-centric theories can lead to sustainable success. In essence, great leaders are those who can distill complex theories into simple, actionable strategies. They create compelling narratives that resonate with their teams and stakeholders, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. As Peter Drucker famously said, "The task of a leader is to be the trumpet that sounds a clear sound."